What's going on everyone? In this video I will show you how to fix Galaxy A56 Twitter lag. So let's start the video. First of all, update your Twitter. After update your Twitter, then open settings and scroll down and click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and click on apps and scroll down in last and open X. Now click on storage. Now here you can clear the cache memory and data of your Twitter. After clear the data and cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on general management and click on reset. In last you can see the option factory data reset. Now click on it and then again click on reset. After reset the factory data, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.